Good morning, dear class. In our previous lesson, we have read about simple pendulum. Simple pendulum, we read about the structure of a pendulum, that is, a metallic ball is suspended from a rigid point with the help of a thread. This metallic ball is known as bob. Now, you also read that the bob, when is released after pulling from one side, moves in a to and fro motion, and this is known as periodic or oscillatory motion. We also read what is time period, that was the time taken by the pendulum to complete one full oscillation is known as time period. Now today we will be reading is time constant. Constant means same. We generally think that time is something that is always constant. But Albert Einstein showed that the rate at which the time passes varies according to the speed at which we are traveling. Now, we always have seen that time is constant, like time is same, like 60 seconds make a complete 1 minute, and this does not change. But Albert Einstein showed us that the rate at which time passes varies according to the speed at which we are traveling. That means the time also depends on the speed on which we are traveling. For example, on a supersonic jet, clock becomes slightly slow, then they would be on a static position as on the ground. Now, on a supersonic jet, clocks become slightly slow. When we are traveling in a supersonic jet, the clock, when it will become slightly slow, and then that would be on a static position as on the ground. Now, units for measuring time. The basic unit for measuring time is second, and it is expressed as small s. Now, the unit in which the time is measured is the smallest basic unit is second, and you can express it as small s. Larger units are minutes, that is small m, and hours, that is h. For measuring time periods smaller than seconds, scientists use atomic clock that can measure 10 millimonth of a second. Now, this basic unit is second. For larger unit, we can measure it in minutes and in hours also. But for measuring time that is smaller than second, scientists use atomic clock. Atomic clock measures 10 millimonth of a second. I hope you have understood is time constant in units for measuring time.